Welcome to my channel Too Rational. I'm Pranay Sharma, and in this video we are going to talk about the exam instructions given by IFoA Institute for your examination in April 2024. We'll go through the detailed information in the exam handbook, which I really recommend you should read. I'll give you the important details that you should compulsorily do before and during your examination. First and foremost, you are going to make sure that you have certain softwares. First is Microsoft Word. You are going to give all your examinations of paper A in Microsoft Word. So it should be Microsoft Word 2013 or later. Similarly, if you are giving CM1 or CM2, you will require Microsoft Excel, and both of them should be 2013 or later. That means 2016, 2019, all of them are acceptable, but 2010, 2007 are not acceptable. The question paper is going to be in the PDF format, so you should have some kind of a PDF reader. I have shown here Adobe Reader. It could be Adobe Reader or any other PDF reader would work. Now you will also require a compression software, that is WinRAR or WinZip or any other such compression softwares, because for some of the examination papers come in the compressed format and you will have to extract your papers. Let's talk about the information given in the exam handbook. I will leave the link in the description from where you can download this examination handbook. The most important thing in this exam handbook is this phone number as well as this email address. During your examination, if you have any issues, you will have to contact this phone number and email anything on this email address. That is why these two are really very important. Please note them down and keep it handy. This is UK number, so if you're living outside UK, you should have your international calling on if you want to contact this number. A few things that you should make sure in your IFoA account, that your email address given as well as the mobile number given are correct. So please check that before you go through any of these instructions. So around 2 weeks before your examination, you should access your examination platform. You will get an email something like this, where you will be able to set up your account in the examination platform. So you'll click on that. This is going to be your examination platform. First, it will ask you to create a password. It will send a verification code to your mobile. So that is why we had to make sure that our mobile number is correct. So first you will have to confirm your mobile number. You will get the OTP and you will have to log in with that code. Then you will see such a message that your activation is complete. But that's not it. You will have to do something else called as equipment check. Equipment check is really very important because it makes sure that during your examination you will not have any problem downloading or uploading your examination. So you should do the equipment check on the laptop or the computer that you are going to give examination from. You can do equipment check more than once, but you should do it at least once. Otherwise, it will not allow you to sit for the examination. So after activation is complete, you can click login here, or later on go to this particular website, that is your online practical exams.org.uk, and there you are going to use your ARN number as well as your password that you had created just above. After logging in, if you are seeing such a red bar on top of the page, that just means you have not done the equipment check yet. So you ask how to do the equipment check. So after logging in, you will find such a page where it will list all the examination that you are registered with. You will have to do equipment check for each one of those. So you can see here CM1A, CM1B. If you have registered for any more examination, you will see those as well. We'll go and click this view exam. Next, you are going to see such a page where you have a few instructions. You should go through them. And during your examination, this is where you will be able to download your exam paper from. Right now, we want to do the equipment check. So we'll click on this button. This is how you will see the page where you can download check. It will download an PDF file that will be similar to your exam paper. Make sure you are able to open that file, and then later on just make a simple Word file that you will be able to upload. So on your computer, just right click, new, and create a Word file. Here I have Microsoft Word document. Make sure you type some name, anything. I will just type 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then open it and type something inside. Don't leave it blank. So I will just type this QWERTY or whatever you want. If you want, you can type multiple lines. This will be very helpful later on. Save it and upload this file. So for upload, this is where you would be uploading. So you'll click browse, find that file in your computer. It will then show here which file you have selected. Then click preview. This is also very important because it will show what is written in that file. After you click preview, this is something you will see generating. It is going to generate the preview, and this is how you will see the Word file. Whatever you had written inside the Word file, it will show you here. Then you can click close preview, and if the file is fine, you can click upload check. This is exactly how you will download and upload your exam paper during your examination. Once the file is uploaded, you will get a confirmation box that says that the equipment check upload completed. So that's it. You should do the same thing with the other examinations that you are going to give. If you are going to change your laptop or your computer later on, don't worry, do the equipment check again. You can do it multiple times. If you are giving CS1 or CS2 examination, at this position you will find additional material that will be required for your examination. So the data files will be given here. You should download it right now because this is the exact data that you are going to use during your examination. Now let's talk about what you should do on the day of your examination. First thing is, so before the examination, just create a folder in your computer where you keep all the material that you will require. So I have the actual formula table book, I have the book, I have formula sheet or any material. Because it's an open book examination, you can refer to any material during your examination. Keep a physical calculator with you, some rough papers, pen, pencil, whatever you require. You can use Excel or R programming or any such software as an alternative to your calculator or the tables, that is the life tables or the probability tables during your paper A examination. Your examination time is written in the email that you have received. I hope you all remember, but the examination time is given in the UK time. So it does not matter wherever you live, just Google it. So you can check like 8 AM UK time to IST. IST is Indian Standard Time, or you can just write India time. Wherever you live, you can just search that. So you can see 8 AM Saturday is 1:30 PM Saturday. So accordingly, you can check whatever time your examination is given in the email, and according to that, whatever time your place it might be. So 10 minutes, 15 minutes before your examination, you will log in. So go to the onlinepracticalexams.org.uk. It will ask you for your ARN number, then your password, then it will send the OTP to your mobile number that you will have to enter here, login code, and then it will directly take you to your exam page. This section will become blue as soon as it is your exam time, and you will click on it to download the exam paper. Now 2 minutes before you do that, that means 2 minutes before your exam time, you can create the Word file in which you will write your examination. So create the Word file. The name of this Word file is going to be your ARN, whatever your ARN might be, and the examination that you are going to write, that is CM1A or CM1B, CS1A, CS1B, whatever the examination might be. Your Word file should be named your ARN and the examination that you are writing. Then you can open it, and after downloading the examination paper, you can start writing. Now, inside your Word file, there should not be any mention of your name, your ARN, or any other identifying markers. During your examination, keep on saving the file. So Control S, and as soon as the exam time is up, make sure you put alarms, because as soon as your exam time is up, you should stop writing and save your file. Now the institute can very easily find out when your last save of that file was. And if it is 30 seconds or maybe 1 minute after the time was up, they would not accept your answer sheet. So make sure you are not taking more than 30 seconds over your exam time. You should not write anything. You should not save after that. So last save and then just close the file. Because by accident, if it saves by accident, you change something, that will also be counted as writing after your time is up. So as soon as your time is up, click Control S last time and then close the file. So your exam time for paper A is 3 hours and 20 minutes. After that, you get another 30 minutes to upload the file. And similarly for your paper B, you have 1 hour and 50 minutes. And after that, you get another additional 30 minutes to upload the file. So you'll go back to that website and upload your examination paper. Just as we did during the equipment check, you will do the exact same thing. You will click Browse. You will click Browse, select the file, then click Preview to check whether the file that you have uploaded is the correct one, and then click Upload Answer. After the upload is done, you will get a confirmation screen that your examination paper has been uploaded. This is how it will look, and after some time you will get an email from the institute that your examination answer script was uploaded. Now, by any chance during the examination, if you have any issues such as these, fire alarm and other distracting event happened, or there was problem during the download or the upload of the examination, or you had some internet issue or electricity connectivity issue, the first thing you should do is contact them through the number given at the beginning of this video. You should go through all of these situations and read it properly, what to do and what not to do during any of these circumstances. Here you have the number again that you should be contacting. So if you had any problem during your examination, whether the IFoA website did not work or you had internet issues or electricity issues, you should keep proof. That means you should click pictures of whatever has happened, because they will ask you to submit some kind of proof to make sure that you went through such a problem. This point is very important. We cannot accept any submission which are emailed to us unless we have given you the authorization and you quote your unique code in your email. We cannot mark any emailed submission that we have not authorized. So when you contact them on this phone number, they will be giving you instructions and they will be asking you to submit your answer script through email. They will give you a unique code that you will have to write in your email. So those were all the instructions before and during the examination that you should follow. If you have any other question, please leave a comment down and I will reply as soon as possible. Please do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.